Hi friends, today we discuss about the topic environmental education. In that the subtopic is snowstorms. Okay, these two snowstorms are called as in Telugu as tufanu, right? How these snowstorms are formed, how the formation takes place, how the temperature will be, in which levels these snowstorms can form, we'll discuss right now. Okay, first we'll discuss about the formation of snowstorms. So these for how these are formed is when different temperature they mix with different, every day we'll come across different temperatures, right? These mix with moisture levels. Humidity will be there in the air. These mix with moisture levels in the air. Then they form the storms. Okay. When mass moisture mix with cold air, that means when the moisture mix with the cold air, moist air mix with the cold air, then they form front. These front may fall to rain. It turns to and they results in the to rain, right? Next, when temperature is freezing, what happens? The rain turns to ice crystals. That means when the temperature is decreasing, they turns to ice crystals. Again, these ice, when they fall on the ground, when they are coming from the air, again they turns to snow depending on the temperature. If the temperature still decreases and this ice turns to snow. When the moisture freezes to, again these moisture is air freezes, again they turns to snowflakes. Okay, and how much the total amount of snowfall that a snowstorm produces, it depends on how fast warm air is raising cold air, how much water vapor is available to form precipitation, how fast the storm is moving. These are all depends on the total snowfall. Okay, so the topic is about the snowstorms. Now we'll discuss about the hailstorms. Hi friends, today